Now here's another technique, using shorter blocks of work periods and timing yourself. So this is loosely based on the Pomodoro technique, and it consists of using a timer and setting shorter periods of work. So for example, for 45 minutes, you'll work on your draft, and then you'll build in a 15-minute break, return to that draft for 30 more minutes, and then take another break. So using a phone timer or any kind of timer is helpful because it increases a sense of urgency, and it also gives you a little bit of hope. For example, if you start getting tired, you can look at your clock and say, okay, well, I just have 10 more minutes. I can focus for 10 more minutes and then I can take a break. And what you can do is just have maybe 3 of these blocks scheduled throughout the day, and that way you'll have actually quite a bit of work time to work on your assignments.
Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.